This is Mr. J. Hi, how are you today? This is our basic video, and we're talking about fires in Canada. It's currently Thursday, May 29th, 2025, and our location, our news location, Canada. And it's B for bad news. See the AI pic? Right, the AI picture, sort of scary looking, right? Not good news. Let's go to our words first. Our words. Emergency, 4 syllables. Wild, here we have wildfire, 2 syllables. Evacuate, 4 syllables. Military, 4 syllables. Contain, 2 syllables. Resident, 3 syllables. Midnight, 2. Patient, 2. Route, 1. Spread, 1. Drone, 1. Water bomber, 4 syllables. 4 syllables. Firefighter, 4 syllables. Injured, 2. Shelter, 2 syllables. Okay, those are our words. Let's look at the summary. Manitoba. That's a place in Canada, province in Canada. Manitoba has declared a state of emergency due to massive wildfires that have forced over 17,000 people to evacuate. Oh no. Prime Minister Mark Carney sent in the military to help. Now that's good. Officials said the fires are too big for local crews to contain. In one city, residents were told to leave by midnight, and high-needs patients were moved first. The only route out is Highway 10, so that means there's only one road to get out, away from the fires. The fires began in a nearby province and have spread quickly. A drone flying near the flames stopped water bombers from flying. Oh, that's very bad. Crews from all over Canada are helping. Okay, that's good. A firefighter was seriously injured. That's bad. And 22 fires are still burning. That's also bad. Officials say Manitoba has already had 102 fires this year. Oh my God. Much higher than the usual 77. Why? Why so many fires? The emergency order makes it easier to give a shelter and transport to evacuees. Okay, let's look at our questions. Why did Manitoba declare a state of emergency? A, because of wildfires. B, because of earthquakes. 2, why were water bombers unable to fly? A, a drone was in the air. B, there was no fuel. 3, what was the only route out of the area? A, Highway 10. B, Route 55. Who was moved first before others? A, high-needs patients. B, school children. What does the emergency order help with? A, giving shelter and transport. B, fixing roads. All right, word of the day. We're doing farm words this week. Word of the day, shed. So here's a shed, but what's the non-farm meaning? Well, this is also a picture at a farm, but the non-farm meaning, let's see. Farm meaning, shed. A small building used on farms to store tools, machines, or animals. Non-farm meaning, shed. To lose or let something fall off, like hair, leaves, or tears, right? Shed tears or hair, right? Pronunciation. Shed. S-H-E-D. And the spelling tells you the pronunciation. Phonics is easy. We have Ed, 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 ed. Head, 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 head. Shed, 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 shed. Shed. One syllable. All right, let's look at some example sentences. English. The tools were all kept in a wooden shed behind the barn. Non-farm meaning, trees shed their leaves in autumn, right? In Canada, there's beautiful autumn leaves. Weather for Friday, May 30th, 2025. That's tomorrow in Hanoi, Vietnam. There's a high temperature of 31, a low of 25, and it will be partly cloudy and partly rainy. For Lima, Peru, a high of 20, a low of 15, and it will be cloudy. And for Ottawa, Canada, a high of 23, a low of 11, and it will be partly cloudy and partly rainy. Next week, on Thursday and Friday, there will be no news classes. Next week, there's going to be elections in Korea. And the Friday is also a national holiday. And tomorrow, my school has a culture class. So tomorrow, there's also no news video. We have classes, but no news video. So I won't see you again until Monday. Guys, have a nice long weekend, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.